Ano, as in, ganito wala kang makita sa daan.
Yeah, this is bad, huh?
Araw pa nun, ha?
Whoa.
Documented, dude. You need to really document this because this could be interesting.
Yeah.
We could be stranded here overnight.
Dude, don't say that. I'm serious.
I'm serious, man.
Wait.
I'm really serious. Dude, wala na akong nakikita sa daan. Hindi ko nakikita yung layout.
Still trying to call Glam Rockwell.
Glam Rockwell. We're in a bit of a situation there.
Keep right.
Send the gritters.
Send out the gritters!
Pati sana sa London, maging ganito para stranded ulit bukas. Yes, no work. Papatayin na siguro ako ni Max. Asa na daw sila, Andy? Dapat they should exit on the first exit.
I don't know. Hi, Will. This is John again from Firefalldown. Been trying to reach you. We have to turn back. The snow is crazy, man. We'll probably end up stuck in Leicester if we push through. In fact, we might get stuck in the motorway sometime soon. So we're really sorry, man. I mean, we really want to be there. I'll try calling again a bit later. Take care, man. Bye-bye.
May blanket ako dyan.
Are you serious?
Yes, man.
Shut up, man. Shut up. You're scaring me, dude. Ulul.
This is really bad. What are you saying?
Blanket. Dude, we're gonna get home.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Ikaw, naka-short ka ako. Naka-pantalon ako.